Hey guys, welcome back to a short episode of the 89 Garage. I just ran into a little problem with my 2007 Yaris. Had a fuse blow a couple days ago, and it took me a minute to find this stupid fuse panel. So I'm going to show you where it's at, and we're also going to put the correct fuse in it now because this thing actually takes these low profile minis. I just put a regular mini in it so this cover won't go on it. If you look at this, it tells you everything you need to know about what fuse is what. Mine was this number 23 here. It says SIG for cigarette lighter. We're underneath the dash here, obviously, and it's right there. And I think you can probably tell which one I put in there as a temporary fix. I had no idea these fuses even existed, to be honest with you, until this happened. But a regular mini fuse does fit in there, just not as well. And I also can't put the cover on because it's too tall. Let's get in here. We're just gonna pull this feller out. I'll compare that here in just a minute for you. We're gonna go ahead and put this guy right back where we got it. Okay, now should be able to put this back on. Okay, all right, so there is the fuse that's supposed to go in it, and this is what I had in there temporary. If you can look and see that they line up pretty dang close, and it works in a pinch. So I will actually leave this in here in case I run out somehow. Anyway, this little kit, got it on Amazon for like $5 or $6. It's got 5 of 9 different sizes here. It's a nice little thing to have around. I probably ought to make sure it still works okay. We're just looking for that dash cam to come on. And I can get her all the way forward. Yeah, what the hell. Alright, it's a good thing I checked my work because that was not the right slot for that fuse. So this fuse actually goes on the other side of that 7.5. I knew it went right next to the 7.5, but I had it in the wrong spot. All right, that's where it really goes. Turning that forward. Okay. It's on. All right, now we got it done. Just figured I'd show you guys that, the location, and yeah, hope that helps somebody out. Take care, guys. Peace out.